One other thing that I wanted to show you about Jupyter is how to access files. So when I log into my student account, again, it brings me up to the to-do list. But over here, we have lots of different options. We've already explored the calendar option where you can see each of your tasks for the week. But I want to bring your attention to where it says materials. So materials is where I can post files for you. And it breaks it down between the school office, science, math, history, and so on. So I'm going to be uploading files for you that I think would be helpful. And I'll let you know when I upload those. But for right now, if I were to click on science, you can see that the files you have access to right now are the pods for next week. So science pod 1 through 5, the SEL pod that I also just made a video for, the social emotional learning lesson for next week. And then there's also Zoom directions. So we will be having a classroom Zoom meeting once a week. And so if you've heard about Zoom, but are a little confused on what it's about or how to operate it, there are directions here, which when you click on will give you access to that file. So you can see step by step what you need to do and how to get access. So these files will be really helpful for the next couple of weeks as we navigate our online learning. And so I just wanted to bring your attention to when you're trying to access any files, click on, it'll be on your to-do list, and then you'll click on materials for whatever class it is. I haven't posted anything for math yet. These are all old. Those are going to go away. But for science, for example, these are all the ones you have access to right now. So materials is a great tool for you on Jupyter as well.